he's controlling, you can do this, or you can pull it out, go over, like this. Pushing, your heel goes on his forearm, this, like that. And see if you can, if you open this arm, like this, all right, I'll probably tap right here. This is, sometimes, it's like stretching your back like this, yeah? Right here. And then I'll bring him this way. And I gotta move my hip a little bit. This, right? It's tight. Mistake in the beginning. So I pull down like this. I'm going here. Yo, lift your elbow. It's a hole. He can pop his head out. So just here, maybe I'll get this in. Put your hand inside and just pulling the wrist this way. The next one that we're doing here, I'm pulling this. Maybe he's grabbing my wrist. Maybe I'll pull, get this one over. Can do it. Now my elbow goes over here like this. Right, and wrist goes on his wrist. And I'll just pull this out, this. So pull this elbow on your pad like this. And then I'm gonna bring my knee to that side, like this. Make sure this one go outside. You can bring yourself back a little more. If I squeeze this, it gets tight. Just squeeze this. Or sometimes he doesn't taps. Sometimes you go with some people, I know it's like borderline of, you know, you get on your hand, like sideways like this, and try to pull this leg underneath him, like this. And it gets super tight. Here. Look, sometimes when you do this, right, so I'm here, I went over and stressed this, I went here, I locked it, right, but in the middle of like, roll, it's not tight, right? And you didn't get, you can always arm lock the person. Inside, you can put his arm under your armpit. It doesn't matter how you get it. Like here, just get it and then just stretch your hip, then it's finished. Or, like, I'm surprised that I can do this to mama like this far. This is very, very uncomfortable.
Yeah. That's good. You mean this way more, like toward the left side?
Now you think like that. Bring your elbows down.
You were feeling that one?
Maybe.
That was, I felt that was the one before. When you were doing it, his elbows up like that.
So that was that trick.
Elbows up like this. Popping his
I
right
think
out.
you were, yeah, and you want this too,
Yeah.
from here.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
This is a lot like this. Right, you feel right away, right? This actually used to be my go-to. Whenever I get somebody like this, I used to pull this side. Like this, the overhook side. And then I'll unhook the leg, and if his leg's here, I'll just kind of butterfly hook it and cross your ankle right around this hip. And I'm gonna squeeze my knees together. Right, it's great now. Hard for me to lock it, yes. But I'll lock it like this. Right? And usually, like when I'm here, he's gonna like crunch a little bit. Yes. From here, without letting go, I'll just pull and drive my hip in. It's awful, actually. I go like this. I'll open it like this. Right, and then I'll lock it. Same thing. I'll go back to this. Without breaking this, you know how my arm's like this? Without extending my arm, I just go like this. Pull the whole thing back from here. This. until he taps. You just kept pulling your elbows back until he taps. But if you do this tight, it's hard for him to slide. You know, because normally if you're here, his way out is him slide out like this. It's hard for him to turn his hip. That's why I'm doing this. I get the point first, I'll lock it and squeeze my knees so that his hips stuck. It's difficult for him to slide out. If they're extremely strong, they will. But it's difficult. It's a lot harder than doing this. Locking like this. Fighting. Right? Like even if he's grabbing your wrist, just get the lapel, get it back.
When it's being done to you, you're like, oh!
I'm really focused on
Especially if they put it on your ass.
powerless without their hats.
Feel like a peasant, you know? It's the wrong way. Still came out.